Bitcoin is once again back in the headlines, climbing above $110,000 as it eyes a potential breakout to new all-time highs. Analysts are lining up to update their price targets, with some putting forward projections as high as $230,000 within the current cycle. Let's take a look at the latest bullish momentum and the data backing it. At the core of this excitement is Plan B, a well-known Bitcoin analyst who built the stock-to-flow model. He says that if Bitcoin's 14-month relative strength index hits 75 this month, we could be looking at a June close around $130,000. That's not just a number pulled out of thin air. Historically, when the RSI has reached similar levels, Bitcoin has rallied aggressively. Plan B's prediction gives bulls a psychological target and has quickly picked up traction across social media. But it's not just technical indicators fueling this momentum. On-chain data is showing that whales are holding strong. According to CryptoQuant's contributor Crypto Dan, large holders are not selling, even with the recent price run. This lack of profit-taking suggests that those with the most to gain believe the rally still has room to grow. Whales often act as market leaders. When they accumulate or hold, retail tends to follow. It's a sentiment shift that points to higher prices in the near term. Meanwhile, institutional analysts are also weighing in. A fresh report from Bitwise Investments puts Bitcoin's fair value at $230,000. That number comes from their sovereign credit risk model, which considers Bitcoin as a form of portfolio insurance in case of sovereign debt defaults or fiscal mismanagement. Bitwise analysts say that despite political tensions and economic uncertainty, investors are increasingly viewing Bitcoin as a strategic hedge, not a speculative gamble. And they're not alone. On the prediction markets, people are placing real money on Bitcoin's next move. On Polymarket, traders are giving Bitcoin a 17% chance to hit $200,000 by the end of 2025. That might sound like a low number, but it's more optimistic than it was just a few months ago. Algorithms are also pointing higher. CoinCodex's price model expects Bitcoin to reach $140,000 first, followed by a jump to $180,000 before the end of summer 2025. After that, it sees a correction back toward the $110,000 range. So what could go wrong? As always, the biggest risk is volatility. Markets don't move in straight lines, and rapid price gains often bring corrections. But with no signs of heavy selling and bullish sentiment rising, the path to 130,000 or even 200,000 seems less speculative than ever. Bitcoin isn't just trying to break its previous high, it's aiming to define a new standard for digital assets in the broader financial world. Whether it reaches 230,000 or stops at a lower ceiling, the current market cycle is setting the stage for what could be Bitcoin's most important year yet.